So today I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing and refreshing charred corn white bean salad with lime dressing. To get the corn off the cob, you can just put it on a wooden board and cut it off like I'm doing. And whilst you grilling or preparing the corn, take a quarter of a red onion and cut it to thin pieces. Put that in a large bowl. Take a small jalapeno pepper and skip this step if you don't want any heat. I don't want any of the seeds, so I'm just gonna scrape it out with a spoon. And cut the peppers into very small pieces, approximately the same as the red onion. Now add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and squeeze lime juice from half a lime. I use a fork to get all of the juice out. Mix together. Now I have about 1 cup of grape tomatoes and just cut them in half or quarters. Get into the bowl. So now drain and rinse 1 can of cannellini beans. Add the beans in the bowl and we'll add 1 ripe avocado. Add some salt, some black pepper. Add the charred corn, and at the end just taste it and see if it needs a little bit more salt or pepper or a little bit more of the lime juice. Thank you for watching and enjoy!